Okay, here's another graph, and I think straight away we can see it's, if we try and put the line of center along here, this is the principal axis, this is y equals 4. Let's go for the amplitude. How far from the center line do we go up and how far do we go down? So all these distances measure the amplitude, and I think you can see that actually the amplitude equals 3. All right, the amplitude equals 3. And finally, we need to work out the period. So the period is this distance from maximum to maximum, or it's this distance from minimum to minimum. Or what we can do also is we can go from the minimum to the maximum, this distance, and we can times it by 2 because you can see that that's doubled to give the period. But I think I can see actually that the coordinate here initially is 0, 7, 0 along 7 up, and so I can be sure that the period here equals 360. Okay, let's go ahead and choose. Now it's not a sine graph because sine graphs start in the middle, so the sine graph would have started here. So it must be a cosine graph because it starts at one of the extremes. Either it starts here or it would start kind of down here and go up. So it's a cosine graph, and we can type out y equals a. The a is the amplitude, 3, cos, I'm going to leave the b for now, and plus c. The c is the principal axis, that's plus 4. And remember, b equals 360 divided by the period of the graph that you're dealing with. And the period of this graph also is 360. So when we substitute here, 360 divided by the period, we get 1. So the equation is y equals 3 cos 1x plus 4. And you type that into Desmos, and be careful with the scale, you'll get exactly the same graph.